what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. You know what to do. Go ahead and click the subscribe button below and become part of the pretty pink party. Oh my gosh, I really have to figure out an intro. All of my social medias will be linked in the description below, so make sure you check me out over on Instagram, where I post tons of pink girly content. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. And without further ado, today we're gonna go ahead and get into my 2020 Christmas wish list.
I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
This wish list was based off of a few categories, and don't mind me if I'm looking down. I have my phone and my notes here to remind me of what I have on every list. This is how I do my vision boards for the new year, and it's also how I do my Christmas wish list. I create a board on Pinterest, and then I link all of the items that I want for Christmas on that wish list. That way, if anyone asks me, what do you want for Christmas, I can just give them a link to that board and to the actual item that I want. Oh my god, I think my camera's about to die, you guys, so I'm gonna have to come back. All right, loves, I am back. I had to charge the battery on my camera, and I also just ended up changing my hair. I just didn't like the way that it looked in the video. I don't know. I just felt like I wanted to show you guys these really cute earrings that I picked up from H&M. So I went and I pulled my hair back. I'm gonna get right into the list. No need to go into the intro, which I've already filmed in a totally different hairstyle at that. I'm gonna be looking down at my notes and my phone, so if you guys see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. I like to go into Pinterest and create a Pinterest board, and I like to add things to that Pinterest board that I would like for Christmas. That way, if someone asks me, what do you want for Christmas, I can just send them a link to a Pinterest board with all of the things that I wish for Christmas is on, the colors, and the exact thing that I want, and all I have to do is click a link and then find the item pretty easily. I just feel like that is just so much better for the person looking to get the gift. At least it helps me out. Anyways, you guys, so I created my Pinterest board, and that's what I'm looking at on my phone right now to tell you what's on my 2020 wish list. Christmas 2020 wish list. I've split all of the items into categories. This just makes it so much easier. Like if someone's electronic person and you know a lot about electronics, or if someone's a home person and they know a lot about home decor and where to find things, it just makes it so much easier when you separate it in categories. So the first category we're going to start out with is just big gifts, like life-changing gifts. These are not gifts that I would expect like someone else to get for me. These are gifts that I'm trying to get for myself. So the first thing that is on that wish list is, of course, a new house, which, happy to say, we put in an application on a place. I don't want to update you guys on anything too much yet, and I will do a video updating you guys on everything. But to make a long story short, one of the things that's on that wish list is a house. I just put a photo of a house that I was inspired by on that wish list. Doesn't have to necessarily be that house, but it just gives the idea that I want a house, kind of like your vision board per se, a little bit. The next item on my wish list under the big life-changing category is a pet, and I want a puppy, you guys. I used to have a puppy. His name is Jojo. He's a cute little beagle, but I had to move from Chicago to LA, and I couldn't take him with me. And at the time, my fiance and his family couldn't take care of him, so they ended up giving him back. But here is the picture of the new puppy that I would like to get. I don't know who this puppy is. I don't know who this little guy is, but I want him. So he's on my Pinterest board. So those were the two life-changing big kind of gifts that I wanted to get for 2020. Now we're gonna move into the next category, which is electronics. And the first thing on that electronics list is a 65 or above flat screen smart TV, and this is to go into our new home. I have been looking for this everywhere, and I tried to purchase one on Black Friday, but everywhere was sold out of this TV in this particular size. So I guess I'm just gonna have to pay full price for it, and I will just wait until we move in, and then I will buy the TV. And the next item on my wish list is the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G pink cell phone, you guys. Pink cell phone. This is not a phone case, not a pink phone case, a pink cell phone. It's the Galaxy S20 and a 5G. I need this phone in my life. It also comes in I think like a Tiffany blue color, and I can't remember the other color. I want to say silver, but I'm not entirely sure. My friend has the Tiffany blue color one, and I totally am gonna get the pink one to match with her. So I thought that needed to go onto my wish list. I'll probably get it in the new year because I actually really like the phone that I have now, but I do need to upgrade. So that is what the phone looks like. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with it. I can't believe there's an actual pink phone. Like, this was made for me. Next on the electronics list is an Imac computer, you guys. I now work from home, and I have a 2-monitor setup, and it's on an HP. And I also work from my MacBook Pro. But I wanted to get a desktop, an iMac desktop for me to edit on as well. I'm gonna wait to move to actually get that, because there's no sense in ordering like TVs and computers only to move and then have to move all that stuff. I'd rather just wait till after I move and have it delivered to the new place. So that will probably be in like the new year, but I want to get a 27-inch iMac desktop. To go along with that, I found a mouse on Urban Outfitters. It is a rose gold glitter mouse. I'll try and put it up on the screen for you guys. Let me see. I might have it actually on my, it might be on my list. But I just saw it the other day, so I don't know if I actually ended up adding it to the list. I actually didn't, but it is so super cute, and I would love that to go along with my iMac. Next thing on my electronics list is a pink Crossley vinyl player. I have been wanting a vinyl player for the longest time, but to be completely honest with you guys, none of the colors match the decor in my home or, you know, in my space, so it just didn't make sense for me to get it. I think vinyl players are so cute, they're so stylish, and they bring this extra vibe to a space, and so I really wanted one, and I found this pink velvet Crossley vinyl player at Urban Outfitters with, get this, rose gold hardware. You guys, this is what it looks like, if anyone's wondering or interested. It is super cute. It's in like the perfect baby pink color with its little rose gold handles and buckles. This, I believe, is around $100 and I want to say, I think it was like $150. You guys, I tried to purchase this on Urban Outfitters, and I want to let you know that you're not able to purchase it online in the US. It's only available in the UK. So if you are someone in the UK watching this video, please let me know if you're able to purchase that vinyl player, because I would totally cash app you the money for that vinyl player, because I really want it. The last electronic items on my list is a professional voiceover mic. If you guys don't know, I do acting and modeling and dancing, and I've been getting into voiceover work. I would love to have a new mic to record a voiceover reel with. I think that it'll be just a lot better. Like, it's fine using my mic that I have here, my snowball mic, every time I have an audition, but it would be a lot better if I had like that crisp, nice quality mic that would record my voice like so crisp and clear. If you guys know a lot about mics, or if you're a singer or voiceover artist, please leave some suggestions in the comments below and let me know which voiceover mic I should purchase, because I'm not entirely sure. This is the one that I have on my wish list because I heard that this was a pretty good mic for voiceovers and things like that. So next category on my wish list is the home category. The first thing on my home category is a pink velvet couch with 2 pink velvet chairs. I am obsessed with pink velvet. Anything in pink velvet, I want to have it. Kind of something like this type of a style I was thinking. I also have this type of a style would be cute as well. Or this style. So you guys see, I have quite a few ideas of what I want to, what kind of couch I want. And then for the pink chairs, I really like this type of a style. Also like this style a lot. That's really cute. Yeah, so if you guys know where I can find pink velvet couch or pink velvet chairs, please comment those below because I would love to go and check it out. The next home item that I am looking for is pink velvet bedding. As you guys just heard, I'm obsessed with pink velvet. I would love to find some pink velvet bedding. I've been looking everywhere for it and I haven't been able to find it. Again, you guys help me out if you know where I can get this stuff from. I don't know where my mind comes up with things that I want, and then it just like they don't exist, like I can't find them. So I don't know where I like came up with the idea that I wanted pink velvet when I've never seen pink velvet bedding before. But if you guys know where I can find that, please comment that below. The next home item is the Lucite Palm Beach dining table. I have been wanting this acrylic clear dining table for the longest time. Granted, I live in a 1-bedroom apartment at the time and I do not have space for this table, but since we are moving out into a bigger space, I definitely wanted to pick up this table. I think it's from Wayfair. Not 100% sure. Here is the dining table that I'm talking about. It is $5,499.99. You guys, that is way too much for a freaking dining room table. But if you guys know where I can find a dupe for much cheaper, please let me know. I already found a table like this that's in a desk form, so I'll probably get the desk form for my office. I found that on Wayfair. But here's just what the table looks like. It's like a clear acrylic table, super glam, super cute, and I don't know, if I don't find it, it's fine. The last item I have on my home list is a crock pot. You guys, I've been wanting a crock pot for the longest time because you know your girl can cook. Yes, she can. So I've been wanting a crock pot, and any crock pot will do. But of course, if you guys know where I can get a pink crock pot, like, the world would be perfect, right? The next category on my list is fashion. Of course, how could we have a Christmas wish list without buying any clothes? We can't, it's impossible. First item that I have on my wish list for clothes is the pink Champion sweat suit. Okay, you guys, and I already found it at Urban Outfitters. It looks just like this. Ooh, isn't that so cute? I am so obsessed. It's just so clean and crisp and sporty and comfortable and girly and all of the things that equate to me. Next item on my wish list is a pink fur coat. You guys have heard me talk about this probably through like other videos because I keep talking about it. I am looking for that perfect pink fluffy fur coat, a light baby pink, not dusty rose, not fuchsia, not blush, but a light pastel baby pink. Here is the example or the inspo that I'm thinking of. You see how it's plush and nice. I love this. I just feel like I need more pink items in my wardrobe, so I definitely cannot go wrong with the pink fur coat. Like, you just can't. The next item on my list is the pink double heart pendant necklace from Tiffany's. I have been wanting this necklace for the longest time, and at first I was going to get the one in the classic Tiffany blue color, but then I saw, you guys, they actually have it in a pink color, and I flipped my wig. Can you guys see that? I hope you guys can see that. But it's just the Tiffany's pendant with a double heart pendant that's pink. It's super cute. They also have the matching bracelet to it as well. I am obsessed, and I think I'm probably going to end up purchasing this for my birthday. It is a bit of a splurge. I don't have any jewelry like this or any real jewelry, so this would be my first real jewelry piece. and it is a bit of a splurge, but it's something that I want to work hard and save up for and give to myself for my birthday. So that is the plan. So I actually don't think I'll be getting that for Christmas, but it would be nice if I like magically appeared and I accidentally got it. I don't know. Okay, you guys, so the next item on my wish list for fashion is the pink Disruptor, I think they're called. The pink Fila Disruptors 2 chunky sneakers. I'm obsessed. Like, I saw these sneakers and I almost flipped. Like, I almost did backflips when I saw them. I was like, I need those in my life. Here's what they look like. Girl, bye. Here's what they look like. Super cute. I'm obsessed. I love Fila and I think they would go great with my Champion pink sweats. Even though they're different brands, they still kind of have the same type of colors and the same type of style, so I think it will be completely fine. I don't care about mixing brands. I'm fine with that. So I really want to get these shoes to go with that Champion sweatsuit, so maybe I'll get them at the same time. I don't know, or maybe I can find some sort of dupe. No, I need the Filas. I need the Filas. I definitely have to look at my notes because this is it's a description. It's quite the description. Okay, so the last item on my fashion list is the rose gold Piper Swarovski crystal watch from Michael Kors. Okay, that watch, I'm just gonna pull it up for you, is everything. But like, really, any watch from Michael Kors I would love, but as of right now, that's just a watch that I have my eye on. But I could do any watch. Like, I really love this watch, Michael Kors watch. And I love the way that she's paired it with like the charm bracelets. Even though bracelets don't fit me, I still think that would be cute. I also like this watch. It's more of like a casual everyday watch, but I think that would be cute as well. I might actually end up doing this watch because I really like that. But yeah, those are the different watches that I have on my list. But I just recently found out the name of the exact watch I want, which is what I told you guys at the beginning. Okay, love, so there's actually one more category on my wish list that I didn't mention, and I can't believe I didn't mention this, but it is beauty. And the one item on my beauty list that I am wishing for Christmas is the Versace Bright Crystal perfume. That is my absolute favorite perfume at the moment. I've worn that perfume for years and years and I love it, and I've been out of it for quite a bit of time. I took a break from purchasing perfumes because I just had an overabundance of them and I felt like I needed to use some up before I started purchasing. And now I only have 2 perfumes at the moment, which is the Ariana Grande perfumes. So I've been really working on updating my collection, and it's time for me to go back to my original baby, my Versace Bright Crystal. I love her. So I think that's the last item on my list. Okay, love, so that was all of the items on my 2020 Christmas wish list. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys got some ideas and inspiration for maybe any girl in your life who's a girly girl who might like some of these items. If you guys have any questions for what to get a girly girl, go ahead and comment that in the description below. I'll be happy to guide you through the process. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I don't know why do I have to yell it? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you loves in the next video. Bye! Bye, guys.